Welcome children, welcome to online class of St. Joseph's Academy. Today we are going to do part 6 section of chapter 14 money. I am your maths teacher Vijaya Lakshmi and today we are going to do word problems based on money. So let's start. Let's do the word problems given on the page number 122. First question is Radha bought a pen for rupees 20, an eraser for rupees 7.50 paisa and a card for rupees 15.75 paisa. Make a bill for her. Now children, whenever bill is made, you have to do the addition. Now cost of pen is here 20 rupees. See how I have mentioned. After point paisa is there, so there is no paisa here. So put 0 there. Then cost of an eraser is rupees 7.50 paisa. Then cost of a card is rupees 15.75 paisa. All the points should come on the same line. Now when you will make a bill, add all these items. So you will get bill of rupees 43.25 paisa. Now second question, Farooq bought a bag for rupees 425 and a cap for rupees 225.50 paisa. He gave a 1,000 rupee note to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return? Now children, cost of bag is 425 and cost of a cap is 225. So these are the items bought by Farooq. So add the cost of these two items, you will get 650 rupees 50 paisa. So this much is the cost of the items he purchased. But Farooq gave 1,000 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper will have to return the money. So you will subtract the total cost of items Farooq purchased, that is 650 rupees 50 paisa. And when you will subtract, you will find rupees 349.50 paisa. This money has to be returned by the shopkeeper. So this is the money the shopkeeper returned. Third question, Hari earns 148 rupees 65 paisa every day. That means per day he is earning 148 rupees 65 paisa. How much does he earn in a week? So number of days is 7 that you have to find out, because in a week 7 days are there. So you have to tell in 7 days how much he earned. So money earned in a day is rupees 148.65 paisa. Number of days in a week is 7. So your answer is total money earned by Hari is 1040 rupees 55 paisa. Children, fourth question. Murli had rupees 45.75 paisa. He bought 3 vanilla ice cream with the money. How much did each cup cost? Now total money Murli had is 45 rupees 75 paisa and he bought number of ice creams 3. So what is the cost of one ice cream, the question is asking. So you have to divide here. Okay, so you can see how it is divided. 45 rupees 75 paisa is written in the dividend part and divisor you will write 3. Now children, divide it. 3 ones are 3. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Then next number 5 you will bring down. It will become 15. 15 comes in the table of 3 5 times. So write on the question quotient 5. Then 3 5 is 15. Write down 15. Subtract it. You will get nothing. Then point is mentioned there. Mention that point on the quotient also. Then next number on the dividend is written 7. Bring it down. Now again say the table of 3. So 3 2s are 6. Because 3 3s are 9 is greater than 7. So you will take 2 times. 3 2s are 6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. Then again you have to bring the next number down. 5. It will become 15. Now 15 comes in the table of 3 5 times. So write on the quotient 5. Then write 15 on the bottom. So when you will subtract, it will become 0. So remainder is 0. And your quotient is 15 rupees 25. This quotient shows the cost of one ice cream. That is, one ice cream cost is 15 rupees 25 paise. Now let us do the exercise 14E given on the page number 123. Question number 1. Make a bill. Tea is rupees 40 rupees 50 paisa. Sugar 39 rupees 75 paisa and milk is 22 rupees. So whenever we have to make a bill, children, we have to do addition. So add all these items and cost, and you will find the answer. Now tea 40 rupees 50 paisa, sugar 39 rupees 75 paisa and milk 22 rupees. You can see all the points are lying on the same line. When you will add it, you will find 102 rupees 25 paisa. Now how addition is done? The same way you have to do. Now 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5. Again you will write the 5 on the ones column, that is on the paisa column. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. Then write 2 and 1 carry, and then point is there, so put that point there. So 9 plus 1 is 10 and plus 2 is 12. Now 2 you will write on the answer column and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 102 rupees 25 paisa. Now second question, Asdar bought a t-shirt for rupees 375. He gave a 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return? Now the cost of t-shirt is 375, but Asdar gave 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper has to return the money. So in this case, you will subtract, children. Money given to the shopkeeper is rupees 500 and the cost of t-shirt is rupees 375. Children, subtract it. See at the last right side, you will see 0 is written and at the bottom 5 is written. So you cannot subtract it. So you will borrow 1 from 5. So it will goes first to the tens. Then tens will give 1 to the ones. So it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 7 is 2. And because 5 has given 1 to the tens column, so 1 will be reduced from the 5, that will become 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So shopkeeper returned 125 rupees to the Asdar. Now question 3, children. Jatin bought 6 pastries for rupees 15 each. How much did he pay? Children, total pastries is 6 and the cost of one pastry is 15. So 15 multiplied by 6. You have to find out the total cost of 6 pastries. So when you will multiply, you will get the answer rupees 90. 15 multiplied by 6 is 90. So rupees 90 is the cost of 6 pastries. Now fourth question. Mala got rupees 360 by selling 6 of her large flower pots. Means total money Mala is having now is rupees 360 by selling her 6 flower plots. The number of flower plots are 6. So how much did she sell each pot? So cost of one pot you have to find out. So total cost of flower pots is rupees 360 and number of flower pots is 6. So you will divide, children. Cost of each flower pot is 3 rupees 360 divided by 6. So your answer is 60. How it has come? See here. 360 you will write on the dividend part and 6 on the divisor part. Now divide, children. 6 6 is 36 and 0 is there at the last. Bring that 0 on the remainder part and put on quotient part also. So your answer is rupees 60. Children, whenever the cost of one is asked, okay, then you will divide. And when the cost of many things are asked, numbers are in large, then you have to multiply. Now question 5, do the sums in your notebook. A part, make a bill, children. Again here the cost of chair is given 1200, table cost is 2570 and cupboard is rupees 5895. Now because you are making a bill, you have to add all these items. So chair, table, cupboard, when you will add it, you will find the bill of rupees 9665. See, children. Now B part question. Sony got rupees 51 from her grandma, rupees 150 paisa from her grandpa and rupees 250 75 paisa from her cousin. How much money or how much did she get in all? Now children, Sony got the money from 3 people, that is grandma, grandpa and cousin. So the total money you have to tell. So what you will do? You will do addition here. Now the money got from grandma is rupees 51. Money got from grandpa is rupees 150 paisa. And money got from cousin is rupees 250 75 paisa. Now add all these and keep in mind that you have to bring all the points at the same column. Now when you will add, children, you will find the total money is rupees 402.25 paisa. Now children, there is a homework for you. From exercise 14D, you have to do the word problems from question 5C part to question G part. This you will try yourself and the answer will be given in the next class. Now children, let us check the answers of the homework part given yesterday of exercise 14D. Now see the first. Fourth part, divide 24 rupees by 2. So you will get the answer 12 rupees as 12 twos are 24. B part, 81 rupees divided by 9. So 81 comes in the table of 9, 9 times. 9 nines are 81. So your answer is 9. Now C part, 25 rupees 5 paisa divided by 5. Now children, write 25 rupees 5 paisa in the dividend part and 5 as a divisor and start dividing. Now 5 fives are 25. Then after that point is there, mention that point on the quotient also. Then after that 0 is there in the dividend part, bring that 0 down and write the 0 on the quotient part also, because 5 zeros are 0. Then after that 5 is there, bring that 5 down. So 5 comes in the table of 5 one times, write 1 on the quotient part and 5 on the bottom and subtract it. So you will get the answer 0 here. So your answer is 5 rupees 1 paisa. Then D part, 48 rupees 15 paisa divided by 3. Now 48 rupees 15 paisa you will write on the dividend part and 3 on the divisor part. Then children, start dividing the way you divide. So 3 ones are 3. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. After that 8 is written, bring down 8, that it will become 18. Now 18 comes in the table of 3 6 times. So write 6 on the quotient part and 18 on the bottom. Then subtract, you will get 0. After that point is mentioned. So point you mention on the quotient also, because paisa has come now. Now from the paisa column you take 1 down. So 1 doesn't come in the table of 3. So put 0 there and 0 on the quotient also. 3 zeros are 0. Then when you will subtract 1 minus 0, 1 will come again. Then bring the next number down 5. It will become 15. Now 15 comes in the table of 3 5 times. Write 5 on the quotient part. 3 5s are 15. Now 15 minus 15 is 0. So your remainder is 0 and your quotient is 16 rupees 5 paisa. Now children, E part, 42 rupees 35 paisa divided by 7. Now write 42 rupees 35 paisa in the dividend part and divide, children. So 42 comes in the table of 7 6 times. So write 6 on the quotient part, rupees 6. Then 42 minus 42 is 0, nothing. After that point is there, so put the point on the quotient part also. Then from the dividend bring 3 down. So 3 doesn't come in the table of 7. So put 0 on the quotient part and 0 on the bottom of the 3 also. So when you will subtract 3 minus 0, you will get again 3. Then bring the next number down from the dividend part, that is 5. It will become 35. Now 35 comes in the table of 7 5 times. 7 5s are 35. Now 35 minus 35 is 0. So your remainder is 0, but your quotient is 6 rupees 5 paisa. Now F part, children, 72 rupees 40 paisa divided by 8. Now 72 rupees 40 paisa you will write on the dividend part and 8 on divisor side. Now 72 comes in the table of 8 9 times. Write 9 on the quotient part. Then subtract it. So 72 minus 72 is nothing. After that point is there, mention that point on the quotient also. From the paisa column you bring 4 down. 4 doesn't come in the table of 8. So put 0 on the quotient part. 8 zeros are 0. Then 4 minus 0 is 4. Then after that, on this dividend part 0 is there. Bring that 0 on the bottom, it will become, the number will become 40. Now 40 comes in the table of 8 5 times. Then 8 5s are 40. Subtract it. The remainder is 0. And your quotient is 9 rupees 5 paisa. Now children, G part 54 rupees 30 paisa. This you will write on the dividend part and divide by 6. So you will get 9 rupees 5 paisa. 9 6 are, or 6 9s are 54. When you will subtract it, you will get nothing. After that point is there, put point on the quotient also. From the paisa you bring 3 down, and 3 doesn't come in the table of 6, so put the 0 on the quotient. 6 zeros are 0. So now 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring the 0 from the dividend part to the downwards. It will become 30. Now 30 comes in the table of 6 5 times. So write the 5 on quotient part, and 30 minus 30 is 0. So your quotient is 9 rupees 5 paisa. H part 60 rupees 75 paisa divided by 5. Now children, divide it. 5 ones are 5, because 5 twos are 10 is greater than 6. So you cannot subtract it. So in this case, you will bring 5 down. So 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. After that 0 is there. Bring that 0 with 1. So it will become 10. Now 10 comes in the table of 5 2 times. 5 twos are 10. Write 2 on the quotient part. Now 10 minus 10 is again 0. After that point is there. Put the point on the quotient also. Then from the paisa column, bring 7 downwards. Now again say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Now 10 is greater than 7. So it will not go. So you will take 1 times. 5 ones are 5. Write 1 on the quotient part and 5 downwards. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. After that 7, you can see on the dividend part 5 is written. So bring that 5 downwards. It will become 25 now. Now 25 comes in the table of 5 5 times. So write 5 on the quotient part. So 25 minus 25, it will be 0. So your remainder is 0 here. And your quotient is 12 rupees 15 paisa. Children, today I have explained you word problems. Try to do yourself, and whatever homework is given to you, do it yourself. Okay, so we will try the rest of the word problems tomorrow. With this, thank you.